Welcome to my YouTube channel. Here are praise names for God in Igbo language. Eze, King. Eze Ebube, King of Glory. Ebube, Glory. Eze Ebube, King of Glory. Odogwu, Mighty. Odogwu n'agha, mighty in battle. Agha, battle or war. Dike na dimkpa, mighty one. Dike na dimkpa, mighty one. So dike means mighty. Dimkpa also means mighty. Olileanya ndị nsọ. Olileanya ndị nsọ, hope of the righteous or hope of the saints. Ndị nsọ, saints. Nsọ, saint. Ndị, people. Olileanya, hope. Olileanya, hope. Agbanwe agbanwe, unchangeable God. Unchangeable God, agbanwe agbanwe. So agbanwe agbanwe means something that cannot change, something that cannot be altered. That is, God is agbanwe agbanwe. Chineke bụ agbanwe agbanwe. God is agbanwe agbanwe. Chukwu na-eme mma, God of goodness, God that does goodness. Ikem, my strength. Ngalaba ji isi ndụ m, the pillar that holds my life. Ngalaba ji isi ndụ m, the pillar that holds my life. Amama amasi amasi, the unphantom God, the God that you cannot phantom. He is endless. Ekweme, he that says and does what he says. Ekweme, Jehovah Ibu Ekweme, Chineke Ibu Ekweme. Chukwu, God. Chukwu Wanine, God of the whole earth. Ndum, my life. Hit the subscription button.